Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to tell you about a little trick you can use to get some attention. So by attention I mean attention when you send newsletters, when you post on social media, and when you communicate directly with your customers. So these days everybody knows that when they receive a newsletter, everything works perfectly. They take for granted that everything is working. The images, when they click on the images, they expect them to take them to the website. So obviously all the links are working, the links within the newsletter, all the buttons and so on. What you can try is disrupt this expectation and create something unexpected to stand out from the crowd. Now, this is not something I can recommend to use on a regular basis, but it's something that definitely worked for me when I did it by accident. So I didn't do it on purpose, obviously, but I added a broken link by accident. And then when I was sending offer, I think it was with a free website critique, the link, since creating newsletter, I changed the URL of this particular page. So I forgot completely that the newsletter was coming out, and then I started getting a lot of emails with people telling me that they really want to order the critique and they cannot because they get error. And this is when I noticed that I get much more responses from people telling me that I made an error than when I was sending all working perfectly. So when they were getting to the critique with no problem, people really didn't react. I think I had even fewer signups, and when I sent the email with the broken link, actually turned out that people were really keen on finding out what's on the link, what's on a page, and they really wanted to get to get this page working, to get the critique. So that's something I really recommend. You can try doing it. This is quite a risky move. So you can do it when people already trust you, when they already know you. But nevertheless, this is something that disrupts the expectations, and this is something that you can stand out with. So try it, let me know how it goes, and if you like this video, please click like underneath, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.